Welcome to the video about world problems in high school algebra. Let's look at one example, draining a pond. We have discussed in a previous section that it is important to understand the physics. One needs to understand the tasks, the agents who are involved, what's the definition of the speed, and whether the agents are competing or collaborating. The four major steps for successfully solving a word problem is: number one, you must understand the physics. Number two, you write the governing equation. Okay, typically it's a single equation. Number three is you have to use all your skills to solve this governing equation. Number four, try to check the answer. Okay, so let's look at one example problem here. It's for a task of draining the pond. Andrew can drain water twice as fast as John. If they work together to drain a pond, it takes 10 minutes. How long would it take if Andrew works on it all by himself? I'll give you some time to look at the problems, and then we'll look at the answers. Okay, let's look at how to solve this problem. First of all, the task here is to drain a pond. Okay, and two agents, Andrew and John, if they drain this together, they are collaborating. Okay, it's a funny thing, if people are running together, then they are competing, but if they're draining something together, they are collaborating. Well, we don't know a lot of things, but honestly, we don't need to know all these things. Okay, let's assume that the pond holds this much water, V. Okay, let's assume that it takes the time of t for Andrew to drain the pond. So Andrew's personal speed is V divided by t. This is Andrew. And we know that the speed of John is half. So John's speed is V over 2t. Okay? And this is John's speed. And together, their speed is V over t plus V over 2t. This is equal to 2t and 3v, okay, or 1.5 v over t. That's the speed that they work on this together. Now we know that if they work on this together, it takes 10 minutes. The governing equation in this case is the volume of the pond divided by the speed they do this together is equal to 10 minutes. Okay. Now there are many ways to solve this governing equation. This is a governing equation. To solve this governing equation, you can apply a lot of different techniques, but here we can cancel out the v together, and it's basically t divided by 1.5 is equal to 10. Therefore, the time it takes for Andrew to finish this task together is 15 minutes. Okay, does it kind of make sense? Well, it takes them together 10 minutes, and it should take longer for Andrew to do this by himself. We're going to look at more examples coming up. Thank you for watching, and see you at the next episode.